Coaching and feedback are both critical components of performance management, but they have different focuses and objectives. Coaching is a more hands-on approach to helping employees reach their goals and improve their performance. It's often focused on specific areas of improvement, such as developing talent, creating personal development plans, and building on strengths. Feedback, on the other hand, is a more formal process of providing employees with information about their performance and areas of improvement. Feedback can come in many forms, such as an annual performance review, weekly check-ins, or one-on-one discussion with the manager. So, how can coaching and feedback be used together in performance management? Coaching and feedback are actually complementary interventions that can be used at any stage of the performance management cycle. For example, as a manager, you can use coaching to help employees manage poor performance or underperformance. On the other hand, you can use feedback to provide employees with regular and structured information about their performance and areas of improvement. When used together, coaching and feedback can create a powerful system of continuous improvement and growth.